Alright, chat. Got everything set up. Then QQQ is falling down, probably from being low-key overbought yesterday. And IWM is exploding. Look at this, guys. That's insane. Wait, hold on. It is pretty early. Alright. We may have a setup actually appearing right here. What I'm gonna do is buy some quality cons. So I'm looking at 687 calls right now. Alright. Let's see. I'm about to get in 687 calls. Alright. I just posted these. This is 288.49. Alright, let's see how this plays out. Hopefully we can get this closed. Then we're not getting a close right now. We're getting just wicks. I don't like that. Come on, give us 1 more cent, 2 more cents. We kind of got to close. So what I'm going to do is sell some contracts up here. Oh shit. Let's fucking go. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. That's what I'm talking about. Couldn't even get a fill. And then boom, I look up, we're at 270. That's what I'm talking about, guys. All that money that we lost, right back. Just like that. This seems like a pretty quick day. I'm about to sell majority of my cons up here. Alright, we hit both of our TPs. So now we're in a position where we're just gonna hold runners. That was probably after losing, we get a trade like this. Come on, guys. I wish I bought like some low quality cons, I'm not gonna lie. I basically just sold all my cons.